One of the most common issues during registration is not getting into your first choice section of a certain class in your schedule or maybe multiple classes. But don't worry, you can easily find a replacement class in Banner. You want to make sure you're in the right semester. So for this, I'm using Fall 24 as an example, but make sure you're in the right semester that you're registering for. And let's say you had a preferred section of Accounting 204, but you didn't get into it when you clicked register. What you're going to want to do is find a different open section of Accounting 204. So for this example, I will just type in accounting as the subject and 204 as the course number. And then anything that comes up here will be all of the classes that are running. If the class is red, that means it is full and you can't add it to your plan and register for it. If there are open seats, it'll tell you exactly how many are open, and that means you could go ahead and add one of those courses to your schedule. So you're just going to want to keep looking for any of the courses that you need to replace. Maybe you didn't get into Fin 201. You can search, see all of these. Make sure you're noting the CRN just in case you lose track of what you're registering for. And that's how you search for replacement open sections in Banner on registration day.